Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. For today's video, I am back with the juicy pork chops. Today, I am going to show you guys how to achieve juicy pork chops on a stovetop. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Also subscribe if you are new here. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's make it. To get started, we're going to mix up our seasoning together. I am using Italian seasoning, garlic powder, creole seasoning, ground black pepper, onion powder. Last but not least, I'll be adding paprika. Now we're going to mix that all together until everything is well combined. Be sure to check the description box for the measurement. Now we're going to dry up our pork chops before we start cooking them. Make sure they're nice and clean. Once your pork chops are nice and dry, we're going to add a little bit of oil on the pork chops and rub our fingers on the pork chops so our seasoning can stick to the pork chops. Now we're going to add the seasoning thoroughly on the pork chops and massage the seasoning in. Once you have your pork chops nice and ready, we're going to set it aside. Moving on, I am using a non-stick skillet. I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once that is nice and hot, I'll be adding my pork chops to it. Once one side is nice and golden brown, we're going to flip it over. I'll also be adding 3 thyme sprigs on there for flavor. Once the other side is nice and golden brown, I am going to add a little bit of water so my pork chop doesn't stick at the bottom. Even though I am using a non-stick skillet, then we'll remove our pork chops. In the same skillet, I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of chopped onion with 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. To dissolve my tomato paste, I am going to add a little bit of water at first, then I'll add the rest of the water. Now to season the gravy, we're going to add salt, creole seasoning, pepper. Mix that up together, then add your pork chops to the gravy. And this is the juice of the pork chops. We're going to let that simmer on medium-low until our gravy is nice and thick. By now, your pork chops should be nice and tender, and I am going to use parsley as garnishment, and basically this is the end result. By the way, these were thick pork chops. I sliced them myself, that's why they look extra thin, but this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Be sure to let me know down below if you're going to try this one, and this one is the must try for me because it is delicious. It's really good. And of course, I have to plate it for you guys. This is the gravy. I hate dry pork chops. That's why I try to make juicy pork chop recipes for you guys. Nobody likes dry meat, right? So this is it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up because that helps me a lot when you guys thumbs up my videos. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here, and leave me a comment down below if you're going to try this one. And if you did already, come back to this video. Let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.